Hey everybody, welcome to A Taste of Cafe Nailu, where everything is lip smacking, toe tapping good. It's been a while since I posted a video. You haven't seen my face in a while, but I'm back and I'm trying to get back into the swing of things. So today what I'm going to do is to show you guys how to make a real quick, easy side dish. It's roasted jalapeno sweet potatoes. It may sound hot, but it's not. Here's a sample of what it's gonna be looking like. Good too. It's simple and easy to make. So, you know what? Let's get this ball roasted. All right, first things first, get these potatoes peeled, washed, and chopped. Then we're going to take our jalapenos, do the same, and we're going to dice those up. Well, not dice, but slice. And then here I'm tapping the jalapenos to tap out some of the seeds, and that also takes away some of the heat, so it won't be as hot as you think it will be. But if you want it hotter, you can keep the seeds, or you can just take all the membranes out if you don't want heat at all. It's all up to you. Every kitchen is different. Everybody does everything different, so do how you want to do it. And then we have a red onion, and we dice that up, and get my avocado oil, olive oil, whatever oil you prefer. And I have, as you can see, I have that balsamic glaze. I got that from Aldi. And I love Aldi's. They have a lot of different sauces and glazes and stuff like that. So that's a balsamic glaze. And you mix all that, the oil and the glaze. I just poured it in. I didn't really take measurements, but you don't want it to be too greasy. So maybe I would say about 2 tablespoons of oil. And then I added in the salt, as you can see, just to cut some of that sweet, because once the sweet potatoes are roasted, the natural sweets come out. I'm telling you, this dish is really, really good. You have a sweet and a spicy flavor to it. It's so good, and it's so simple to make. Just these 3 ingredients, and that's it. And you have a dish. Put it in the oven, and it's ready. And here I'm getting ready to put it in the oven. As you can see, you pour everything on a baking sheet, and my oven was set at 400, and I would spread everything out on make sure everything is evenly spread out, so the heat will cook the foods all at the same time. And now it's done. I put it on 400 for about 45 minutes, and it's fork tender, and bam, here we are. This is it, baby. Doesn't it look good? Yes, it's good, y'all. You got to try it. Let me know if you tried and how you like it. Love y'all. Bye.